No, genuine question. Who insurance gonna cover all this? Bro, this nigga just broke like five, nigga, like 10 different people cars. And he breaking these side mirrors. Bro, who gonna pay for this shit? Do the tow drive, the nigga that's driving the tow truck insurance gotta cover that? This like when the fucking superheroes defeat the villain and the whole city just fucked up and them niggas just teleport out of the they just disappear. The threat is dead. See ya. And just fucking instant transmission. Nigga just calls 500K in damages and just gonna dip out.